Hey guys, Legit Gaming here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your phone. It can be any phone, you know, iPhone, Android, Motorola. So today I chose to fix the iPhone 6, as you can see. So yeah, the first step is to take your charger and plug it into the phone. Having a little trouble over here. And it just start. See, it started. When it's blinking red, it's not good. It's not good at all. As you can see, it's charging. So, you want to leave it like this for 30 minutes. I'll be back in 30 minutes. I'm back. And yeah, so what you want to do now is unplug it from the charger. And you want to go outside. So now that you're outside, you want to take the phone and you want to throw it in your front yard. Just like that. So now that you're back inside, you're going to need to take your phone into your bathroom, put it into the sink, and you're going to want to turn on the water. Let the water seep in really good. As you can see, it's being fixed. You want to flip it over, let it go into the speaker, just like that. And you want to wash it. Wash it off real good. You want to turn the sink off. Now you want to take the case off. How do you do this? I don't know how to do this. Oh, there we go. Now I want to take the case off, take the battery out. I wash the battery. I want to get some water inside of it too. I want to turn the water off. So now that that's done, your phone should be wet, but don't worry, it should turn on. As you can see, my phone turned on. I have music, contacts, messaging, photos, everything, see? It works now. But there's one last step, just one last step. And that's going to take place outside once again. So now you want to take the phone, put it in the sun, let it dry off, leave it here for like 2 days, maybe 3, and yeah, I'll be back in like 2 or 3 days. So I'm back, and last I saw this phone was on a Monday. Now it's a Tuesday. So yeah, as you can see, the phone's dry, and we're gonna carry on to the next step. So what you want to do now is take one of these weird looking hammers and smash the phone repeatedly till it comes to the point when it starts falling apart. So now that we're done, as you can see, we're done with the last step. So let's go back inside and test it out, guys. As you guys may see, my iPhone 6 is now ready for professional use. See, it's on, and I have about 10 more applications installed than usual. And yeah, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Yeah, peace out, guys.